There's something truly magical about watching nature's raw beauty transform into something functional, elegant, and full of soul. Hello there. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where we celebrate the art of turning wood into wonders. If you're someone who loves creativity, craftsmanship, and eco-friendly design, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of DIY giant wood furniture and decor ideas, all crafted from humble tree stumps that most people might overlook or discard. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit that notification bell so you never miss our daily uploads filled with inspiring wood furniture transformations. Rustic decor ideas and sustainable design projects that breathe new life into old materials. When you look at a tree stump, it might just seem like a leftover piece of nature, a rough, uneven block of wood sitting quietly in a corner. But to a creative eye, it's the beginning of something extraordinary. Tree stumps carry the essence of the forest, strength, history, and natural artistry, all waiting to be revealed through thoughtful craftsmanship. In this video, we'll show you how to turn that raw potential into beautiful, giant furniture and decor pieces that can instantly elevate any space, whether it's your living room, garden, or cozy reading nook. At Kuki Decor, we love the balance between raw nature and refined design. A well-crafted stump furniture piece doesn't just serve a purpose, it becomes a conversation starter, a piece of living art. Imagine walking into your living room and seeing a massive tree stump coffee table, its surface polished to perfection, yet still showing every natural groove and knot. It's rustic and modern, organic yet elegant, the kind of piece that feels timeless. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We share daily inspiration on how to create sustainable furniture and decor using reclaimed wood, tree roots, branches, and stumps, all crafted with creativity and care. Your support helps us keep inspiring more people to bring nature's charm into their homes. Now, let's explore some of the most creative and practical uses for tree stumps. One of the easiest transformations is turning a stump into a side table or nightstand. Simply level the top, sand the surface, and finish it with oil or epoxy for a smooth, long-lasting shine. Pair it with a cozy lamp or a small vase, and you've got a nature-inspired accent that adds warmth to your bedroom or living area. For outdoor spaces, tree stumps can make perfect garden stools or rustic seating. Whether left in their natural form or slightly carved for comfort, they blend beautifully with greenery and stone, creating a natural lounge atmosphere. You can also hollow out the top of a large stump to make a planter, giving new life to both the wood and the plants it holds, a true example of sustainable design. If you're feeling adventurous, try transforming a massive stump into a dining table base. It adds a bold, sculptural element to your space while grounding the room with its organic texture. Pair it with a round glass or reclaimed wood top to create a balanced contrast between rugged nature and smooth design. Or perhaps use smaller stumps as art pedestals, showcasing vases, sculptures, or driftwood pieces that complement the natural theme of your home. Another incredible idea is lighting. Yes, you can actually turn a stump into a floor lamp base by drilling a center channel for the wiring. The result is a stunning piece that casts a warm glow and celebrates the beauty of reclaimed materials. For those who love statement decor, try carving patterns or geometric designs onto the surface of your stump. These subtle details can turn a simple wood block into an art piece that reflects your personal style. Tree stumps also work beautifully in minimalist or wabi-sabi interiors, where imperfection is celebrated. Instead of hiding cracks or uneven edges, embrace them. Fill the gaps with resin, or leave them exposed for that perfectly imperfect look. This style reminds us that beauty lies in authenticity, and what's more authentic than a piece of nature shaped by time? If these ideas are sparking your imagination, take a moment to subscribe to Kuki Decor and join our growing community of design lovers, woodworkers, and eco-conscious creators. We post daily videos with fresh ideas for turning reclaimed wood into stunning furniture and decor pieces. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new inspiration drops. Now, as we move deeper into this creative journey, let's talk about finishing touches. That's what makes DIY stump furniture so rewarding. It's not only about design, it's about connection, connecting your home to the natural world in a meaningful way. For those who love experimenting, try combining metal, glass, or stone elements with your wooden stump. The contrast between organic and industrial materials adds depth and character to your decor. You could, for example, mount a thick glass top on a stump base for a dramatic dining table, or attach black iron legs for a rustic modern side table. The possibilities are endless when creativity meets sustainability. As you'll see in today's video, every step, from cutting and sanding to sealing and styling, reveals more of the stump's personality. You don't need expensive tools or expert skills to start. With patience, passion, and a love for nature, anyone can turn a stump into a statement piece that adds warmth, charm, and originality to any space. Here at Kuki Decor, we believe that wood has a soul, and by crafting with care, you can let that soul shine through. Each project is a story of transformation, from what was once forgotten to what becomes treasured. Whether it's a massive coffee table, an artistic bench, or a sculptural decor piece, your DIY creation will carry a piece of nature's timeless beauty into your everyday life. So next time you see a fallen tree, or a leftover stump, don't think of it as waste, think of it as a blank canvas waiting for your imagination. With just a bit of effort and creativity, you can transform it into furniture that not only looks incredible, but also tells a story of sustainability and craftsmanship. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found inspiration and courage to start your own tree stump transformation project. If you enjoyed this journey from stump to treasure, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily inspiration on DIY wood furniture, rustic decor, and eco-friendly living ideas. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Your support means the world. Keep crafting, keep creating, and remember, every piece of wood has a second life waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay inspired and stay connected to nature with Kuki Decor.